again to be with you. I first want to thank you for the submission. You have done some marvelous work, and it is amazing. And the most amazing part is the effort you have made to virtually send me your work, and the way you have sent me, it actually amazed me, and I'm extremely thankful to all of you. Moreover, I'm thankful to for one more reason I want to share with you, and that's that you gave me the initiative, taking the initiative I took of WeLearning. And I'm actually thankful to you. It was probably an idea which was hunching back, as I always say, ideas hunch back. And I even showed you a video on Stephen Johnson regarding that. Mr. Stephen Johnson said that I believe in that because it was somewhere hunching back and it came out in this way. I never knew that. So I'm actually thankful to all of you because that is because of you that I took that initiative of relearning, and I'll continue to do so now or for later on as well because it's my job to teach and it can be anybody. But I would like you to tell that if you are good at certain subjects, please start teaching online. If you want to get paid for that, please make online payments for yourself and get that done and help me out in relearning too. Coming back to your issues, I would like to first address one thing that after getting your submission, I realized that you people haven't selected the target audience the way it should have been selected. So it can't be like men, it can't be like women, it can't be like kids. You have to be very specific. If women, what age of women? It should be teenagers, girls. It should be a mediocre age. It should be older than that. Mm, See around what brands cater only to teenager people. See around which brands cater to middle-aged people. See if there are brands available who cater to senior citizens, and in what way. Because I do believe that yes, design is luxury, but then that luxury is applied on a need. So textiles is our need, and once it's a need, we are textile designers because we are applying our design abilities on a need. So there's nothing without that, and I'll be posting relevant material in your virtual classroom in your of relearning in Google Classroom. I'll be posting relevant material regarding to that. So in think about that in your coming up submission, that which is your target market and from whom you for whom you're creating, be it be like for home furnishing, be it be for apparels, upholstery, tableware, anything, because you already came up with great ideas, but you have to narrow down and see how you could do that. Secondly, I keep on talking about research, theoretical research all the time, and telling you about to see that. For that matter, I have uploaded everything from the first time we have done in the classroom to the virtual classroom we have reached, just because there are connections. And I already talked about that. Start making relationships. So please go through those videos again. See that where we are today and where we were back in February or January, and what we were earlier before getting promoted to this class, and see that if you have learned anything. If you don't, please let me know. I will try my level best to teach you that. Moreover, I would like to talk about that. Please do give me the answers. I have asked you in your emails regarding anything, why you have done this, why you want to do this, rather than just submitting your work, because those are actually for your learning. And obviously, I'm learning from your queries because that intrigues me to ask you that why is this mind is working this way? Why not the ordinary way? Because you are actually extraordinary guys, and you make my teaching very, very enhancing. And I am extremely thankful to you. And I can't feel more blessed than what I'm feeling blessed today because I wasn't expecting, to be very honest, that the whole class would be sending submission in various ways, and it is beautiful to see that, and I feel highly blessed. Thanks for joining the classroom. Thanks for making another experience because it's my duty. I'm not doing any of you a favor, but yes, it took a bit of effort because I am not trained that way to teach in the classroom or virtual classroom, but I'm trying my level best because you people are trying your level best. So thanks for that. And think again about the questions I have raised. Please let me know that whatever material, relevant material I'm already posting, but if you think that some other material will be helping you in the given circumstances, if I'll be having that, I will be posting that to you, because already the material I have posted, that's not available online, that I've taken from old books I have, fortunately, and I will be further addressing your issues on your feedback. So kindly give me your feedback, join the classroom. I know there are issues going on with the internet, but it will not require much space in your mobile. So you can please join that and the other needed app. So for the video conferencing, and I will be seeing you soon. Thank you so much again, and stay safe and stay healthy, and keep up the good work. Thank you. Keep up the good work.